So we're driving along the coastal side of anong part ba to? Yung Malay Aklan, kita mo on the left side yung coast side siya, but basically yung roads dito, they're really winding curves, light na mga sharp curves, so hindi masyado mabilis yung mga sasakyan. Yung papunta dito facing us, these are vehicles going to Katiklan, no? Most likely they'll be staying in Boracay. Kami naman, we're going to Iloilo, no? But instead dito sa bandang Rojas na side, we'll be taking yung side ng Capiz, no? Capiz na side. Ito kami, inabot kami sa tail end ng mga group of vehicles. Kanina we stayed sa Centilio Travelers Inn, no? Okay lang siya, medyo cowboy, no? You have vehicle, very few na mga overnight accommodation na very respectable na parking. You're bringing yung vehicle mo, consideration yung parking. They are having a repair here this side natin, but sa left side makita mo yung scenic na coast of Aklan. Ayan, at least natin nakuha yung coast side, coastal side of Aklan. So we left Katiklan almost 9 o'clock na. 9 o'clock. Then this will be another interesting ride on the western side of Panay. Basically following coastal Panay. Tingnan namin along the way, there's something that mga fast food that we can have, or respectable na mga resto or even karinderya, that we can have brunch. Most likely ang oras niyan is an hour from now, ideally. Pero kung meron na dyan along the way, we'll take it, no? Because long mountain stretches dyan going that area, konti yung options, so we just take the first option along the way.